Among all the various pre-treatments available for cotton fabric, we are going to learn about singeing in this particular video. What do you mean by the word singeing? Singe means to burn off. Here, singeing is a textile process that involves the burning off of protruding fibers from the fabric surface to achieve a smoother, cleaner, and enhanced with the fabric with an enhanced luster. What are the objectives of singeing a cotton fabric? The primary objectives are it improves the fabric appearance, a very smooth, polished appearance, reducing pilling. The small pills are reduced, which enables increased dye uptake and create a more uniform texture for subsequent processing and finishing. So when the singeing process is over, the fabric obtains a luster and also has increased dye uptake. When you look into the historical background of singeing, singeing initially starts from manual, that is techniques, and in the ancient times, and now it has been evolved by using machinery, and also more consistency is followed in fiber removal methods. What are the technological methods which are available for the singeing process? Even though throughout history, technological innovations such as high-speed singeing machines and precision burners have significantly improved, the effectiveness and environmental aspects of the singeing process is more under question. Here we have three methods. One is the gas flame method. Here you have the flame which burns out of the that is a gas. The fabric passes over the burning flame, so that the hairs, the minute hairs which are present in the fabric are completely removed or burnt. Okay, so the flame, speed of the flame or else the speed of the fabric should be adjusted in such a way that the flame does not affect the fabric. Second one is a roller method. Here the fabric passes over the heated rotary copper cylinder. So we have a copper cylinder upon which the fabric is allowed to roll over. While the fabric is allowed to roll over, the hot plate or else the fabric cylinder, the hot cylinder, the fibers are getting burnt off. Here also the speed of the roller and also the speed of the fabric should be in perfect. So that, and also the level of contact of the fabric with the roller should also be adjusted very finely, so that only the protruding fibers are getting burnt without damaging the fabric. The third method is the hot plate. Here the fabric is passed over heated plates at a speed of 150 to 250 yards per minute. So instead of a roller, we have a hot plate upon which the fabric is allowed to pass through. Now the heat which is present in the plate will be used in burning the fabric. So this is again another method by which singeing can be done. So what are the factors which we have to take into consideration while doing this singeing? There are two different factors which we have to consider. The first one is temperature management. So first we have to apply proper temperature, even when it is gas flame or else hot cylinder or else hot plate. The temperature should be maintained so that the fabric is not burnt. That is, the fabric should not get damaged, ensuring only the hairiness is removed. Second one is the speed of operation of the cylinder and also the fabric, so that effectiveness is achieved without damaging the fabric. So these two are the very important factors which we have to consider. What are the applications? What are the applications which we call out by means of this singeing process? First one is fabric appearance. There is improvement in fabric appearance. Lusher improves and the hairiness is removed. There is a smoother appearance. So the fabric gets an aesthetic uh, finish which enhances its overall look and feel. Second one, enhanced dyeing and finishing. So since the protruding fibers are removed, it helps in absorbing the dye and also gives a very good finish for the fabric. So that bright colors are being used, vibrant colors are being used, and then uniform dyeing is also possible when the fabric is dyed after the singeing process. Next one is fabric strength. Singeing also improves the fabric strength because the hairiness or else the protruding fibers, they have only very less strength. They are weaker fibers. So when you remove them, the strength of the fabric is enhanced and it improves the life of the fabric also. So these are the different applications which helps in the the fabric which is being singed. And the next one, what are the specialty uses apart from other applications? There are two specialty uses. One thing, when the singed materials are used for technical textiles, they have optimal performance characteristics by reducing the surface hardiness and without affecting its functionality. And then it can also be used for medical textiles. Singeing helps to maintain cleanliness and hygiene by removing unwanted fibers and leading to improved performance in the application of surgical drapes and wound dressings in the case of medical textiles. So these are the uh, things which we should learn about the process called singeing and the applications. Thank you.